Hi, Sarah. What a surprise to see you here.
Oh, hi Ali. Yes, I usually come here after my classes. What about you?
Same here. I had a long lecture, so I thought a cup of coffee would help.
That makes sense. Which coffee do you usually order?
I usually go for a cappuccino. What about you, nice?
I prefer latte. It's not too strong, and I like the creamy taste.
Are you here alone? Oh,
Yes, I just wanted some time to relax and read a book.
that's interesting. What book are you reading?
It's a novel called The Alchemist. Have you heard of it?
Yes, I have. I read it last year. It's all about following your dreams, right?
Exactly. I really like the message.
By the way, are you ready for the midterm exam?
Honestly, not really. I still need to revise a lot.
Don't worry, we can study together in the library tomorrow.
That would be perfect. Thank you, Ali.
Anytime. Okay, I'll grab my coffee now. Enjoy your reading.
Thanks. See you tomorrow.